Alrighty, so I'm having some friends over. It's a girls' night and we're doing a broom making party. And I got each of them some goodies for a goodie bag. And so I'm gonna be putting the goodie bags together. These are the goodie bags. Aren't they cute? Then I got some filler, some tissue paper, and I have some leftover items just in case we use them. I'm not sure. They've been in my stash for a while. I'm gonna put some chocolates in these little coffins. I've had these for a while too. These came from the Dollar Tree years ago. And then Walmart had these for $1. The You've Been Booed little flags. They also had these cups, and they also had these cute little ghosts. I think these are super cute. And then I made them candles. I'm in the process of cooking dinner. I put some extra oil on top. For some reason, the scent isn't as strong as I wanted it to be. So I'm kind of hoping that some more essential oils sitting on the top will help to soak in, and it is working. There's just a few little drops left. So I'm just gonna let that marinate overnight. The party's tomorrow. And then I have some Dove chocolate because this is a girls' night. And I'm an advocate for women, and so it's kind of like therapy. We're going to be using Dove because they have those really positive sayings on the inside, and so that's what's going to go in those little coffins. And then I have some pumpkins to decorate the finger food area with. I probably will use this tray. I think I'm going to use this broom since it's a broom making party. We're going to be incorporating this somehow. And then I have some garlands that I haven't put up yet, so I'm going to do that. You're getting a sneak peek at my Halloween decor, so just ignore all of that. Pre-purchased cinnamon brooms, and then I added little cards that talked about what was in each element that they could choose from for their brooms. Like for the brooms, there was mainly cinnamon in those, so put a card that talked about the uses of cinnamon, and that's kind of what I did for all the little things that they could choose from. did not film the event itself because I wanted to connect and be in the moment, but I hope you enjoy seeing the pictures of the brooms that were made, and I hope that you join me again next Sunday when we do this all again, dear friends. Have a great week. I'll see you later. Bye.